Good morning, guys. Today is Friday the 15th of February and it is Brett's birthday. Woo. Since last time I vlogged, we left Mount Taylor. We stayed a night at Snowy River. We left Mount Taylor, we stayed one night at Snowy River. One night at Snowy River. And then we came here to Cairn River and we've stayed here for 2 nights. And now we're going to the one place I wanted to go in Victoria, which is Malakuta. Don't ask me why, I just think the name sounds cool. So we're heading off now to Malakuta. So we have arrived at the caravan park. There was a dilemma with the power because I'm not going to explain it, but basically we just thought everything was fucked and turns out it wasn't. But anyway, we just went for a drive down to the beach and I really want to go for a swim because it looks beautiful, but Brett doesn't, so I'm going to walk down there.
Nah, I won't go.
You do want to go?
Yeah, we'll drive down.
Okay, now we're both going. Let's go swimming.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard cause I just gave up? Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride.
That was the most fun I've had this whole trip, and honestly one of the most beautiful / best beaches I've ever been to, and that says a lot coming from me because I've come from Tassie where we have Bay of Fires and Wineglass Bay and all of that stuff. So that was really fun, but now I've just picked up our load of washing and I'm going to try and hang it out as best I can because the clotheslines are full and we haven't got any tree or anything we can tie rope to, so I'm going to do my best. I am going to go have a shower and wash my hair. I'm now showered and clean and the washing is sort of hung up. It's like, what time is it? 10 to 4, and at 4:15 we're gonna head in and get some dinner because we both haven't eaten lunch because we've been saving ourselves because we're getting takeaway for Brett's birthday, and Brett got some beer so he's happy. And I'm really excited because I'm getting chips, and if you know anything about me, you know that I fucking love chips. And Brett's getting a family-sized pizza all to himself.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got the goods. Brett's pizza is absolutely massive. I'm not going to open it because Brett hasn't even opened it yet, and I just got me a little chippies. How stoked are you?
Fucking very stoked.
Happy birthday. That is fucking huge. I'm going to sign off for the night here because I've had like 3 sips of wine and I'm already sleepy, so I'll catch you tomorrow when we are crossing the border. Good morning, guys. So we packed up the caravan park and now before we leave we're kind of just driving around and seeing what's around so that we don't leave too early. At the moment we're about to drive over the Betka River. There we go, the Betka River.
Open the doors to
we ended up just going for a quick walk. It was meant to be 45 minutes, but I think it took us like 25 minutes or like 30 minutes or something. And then we've just been chilling out for a little bit. I had some breakfast because I was starving. And now we're gonna head off and we're gonna head up the coast to Merimbula, where we're gonna be staying for a couple of nights.
I'm just gonna do a poo.
Okay, thanks. We're gonna be staying there for a couple of nights. So yeah, we're gonna drive through the Victoria-New South Wales border, which is pretty exciting. We're going to our first new state. Okay, we are at the border. There's someone else just in front of us, so we're hoping they're gonna leave pretty soon so we can take a, you know, our classic border photo. So yeah, we're about to leave Victoria, which is weird. I guess we're in New South Wales. So where we're staying is just on the outskirts of Merimbula, and it's like $20 a night. It's a bit more than, like, obviously we don't want to be paying anything, but around here there's honestly not that much free camping that has access for caravans. There's a lot of places you can go that are only 4-wheel drive, and we have a 4-wheel drive, but the caravan just won't make it. So yeah, we're just staying here for 2 nights, and then tomorrow we're going to go around like Eden and Pambula and everything and just explore the coast a bit. Apparently it's called the Sapphire Coast, which is quite nice. So now I'm just reheating my chips from yesterday. Brett's having a beer and we're just gonna chill out. Brett found a mountain bike trail nearby, so he's gone to do that, and I thought while he's doing that I'm gonna squeeze in a quick workout because I've not been working out the past like week or so, and I've really been feeling and seeing the effects of it. So I'm feeling a bit chunky, so yeah, I'm gonna do a workout. Done. It's now really windy, so I'm just gonna sit down and have a drink. Good morning guys. Today we have left the caravan at the paddock in the middle of nowhere, and we are going on a bit of an adventure to explore like Pambula and Eden. We're going to Pambula first because my parents actually almost moved there. Like they lived there for like a couple of months and lived in the caravan park, and my dad got a job at the hardware store, so we're just going to Pambula to see if it's all still there, and yeah. So the hardware store is now -10. They bought it out. Apparently the caravan park's up here now, but yeah, there it is. That's where they live.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun.
Alright, that was Pambula and Pambula Beach. Just a really quick stop, and now we are on our way to Eden. Alright, so it is now 2 days later, I think, since I last vlogged. Maybe 1. I'm not really sure, but we have left Merimbula. We are at a little town called like Conbargo or something. We're staying at the back of a pub, and it's actually a really nice spot to stay. It's really hot, so I look like an absolute just a nightmare, but we went into Merimbula this morning to do groceries and get fuel and stuff, and we ended up going to a Vinnie's, and I got a couple of things, so I thought I'd quickly show you what I got. Also, I'm in like a t-shirt and like maxi dress, so I'm like, it's a really stupid outfit, but it's comfy. So I'd finished all the books that I had except for one, which I'm not going to read for a little bit because I need to like, it's like not like a nice book to read. It's like a fiction. It's a book about money, so I want to sit down and like write notes and highlight and stuff like that. So I have bought 2 new books. So I bought Paper Towns by John Green. I've never seen the movie, So I figure why not read the book. These were both $3. And then I bought 1,000 Pieces of You, which looks really interesting. It's about like someone's father dies and they're both physicists, and yeah, I don't know. And the cover's really pretty too. So I got those. I also picked up this pair of pants for $2.50. It was half price. They are guys' pants, I'm pretty sure, but they're in the women's section. And they're just like a beige colour, and they've got cuffs at the bottom. No idea if they fit me or not, but if they don't, they'll fit Brett maybe, and whatever. So I don't know, just thought it'd be nice. And then the last thing I got is a pajama set, and I'm so excited because I've wanted a set like this for so long, but they're so expensive to buy them brand new, and I just found this in the op shop. So it's a little like silky pajama set with just some plain little shorts and then short sleeve shirt. So yeah, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous to buy for like van life, but I've wanted them for so long, and like when we get home I want to, it sounds really stupid, but I want to get like nice pajamas. So yeah, I've got these now for like summer. Now I just need some long ones for winter, and then I'll be good. So yeah, that's what I bought at Merimbula Vinnie's. Good morning guys, we are just a little bit past Bermagui today. We have come to Camel Rock Surf Beach to look at Camel Rock and Horsehead Rock, except I can't figure out how to get there. So, but yeah, let's look at Camel Rock for now. Okay, so we didn't go to Horsehead Rock because it was high tide, so we couldn't walk along the rocks or the beach or anything to get there, and from what I can tell, you can't get there any other way right now. So oh well, we'll just deal with it. But Brett's gonna go for a mountain bike ride, and he's gonna drop me off in Bermagui, and I'm just gonna have a little look around. Walked through the like town bit of Bermagui, and there is like some really nice boutiques that like sell like my type of clothes, like not what I'm wearing now, but like linen and like surf beach coastal kind of clothes. And I couldn't go into any of them because then I want to buy stuff, and I'm obviously not allowed to buy stuff because we're on a very tight budget. It was just like, this moment is so bittersweet because they look so nice, but I literally can't buy anything. So I'm just going along the coast and seeing what's around. I got a message on Instagram from I'm assuming someone who watches my YouTube videos, saying that there's like a blue pool thing down at the other side. So I'm gonna go over there and just have a quick look. I'm considering buying myself a coffee, but I feel like if I do that, then like it's a bit rude because Brett doesn't get one. I don't know. So I'm walking along the road, just a road to the blue pool, and I keep finding these little like things where you just go out and look at the ocean, and every single one is absolutely incredible. That is absolutely awesome, and they are absolutely beautiful. I wish I could swim there, but I didn't bring my swimmers, and honestly it's not that warm of a day, so it just sucks because I feel like every time we go to a beach where there's somewhere nice to swim or like a beach pool or something, it's not very hot and it sucks, but that's life. But anyway, that was amazing, so I'm so glad I went there. My camera's about to die, so I'll see you guys back at the caravan. God, I wonder if I can put it on the back light. As long as Brett doesn't open the door. make any sudden movements, we should be good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am completely makeupless, just had my first shower in a week since the start of this vlog actually. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for daily updates and just more stuff. If you've made it to the end of this video, I'm gonna just let you guys know that I have made a Patreon. If you guys do want to donate, obviously no pressure, don't have to, it doesn't matter, but it's just something I thought I would set up just in case, like, you know, someone did want to donate to support like what we're doing and living this like nomadic lifestyle and all of that kind of good stuff. So anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.